exposing the drama in disaster relief, Elon Musk's Starlink and the FCC's funding feud. Elon Musk is firing shots at the FCC over denied funding for his Starlink program. Musk claims that the $886 million could have turbocharged Starlink's deployment, providing crucial internet access during Hurricane Helene in North Carolina. The FCC, however, defends its decision, pointing out that the funds wouldn't be available until 2025 and that SpaceX didn't meet program requirements. They argue Starlink's high upfront costs and unmet performance standards were deal breakers. Musk, never one to back down, tweeted that government-imposed requirements inflated Starlink's costs unnecessarily. The debate raises questions. Should private companies like SpaceX take the lead in disaster response? And is the FCC's approach to funding too rigid? As both sides trade barbs, thousands in North Carolina are already benefiting from Starlink. The situation underscores a bigger issue, ensuring reliable internet access during emergencies. Stay tuned for more updates on this tech versus regulation showdown. What's your take? Leave a comment below.